Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to install a VPN app on your Google TV. With a VPN, you can keep your online activities private and secure. So let's dive into the process. First, grab your Google TV remote and navigate to the Google Play Store. You can find the Play Store in the Apps section on your home screen. Once you're in the Play Store, use the search bar to look for the VPN app you want to install. After typing in the name of the VPN app, such as ExpressVPN or NordVPN, select the app from the search results. Click on the Install button to start downloading the app to your Google TV. The installation process may take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Once the app is installed, you can find it in the Apps section of your Google TV home screen. Open the VPN app by selecting it with your remote. Next, you'll need to log in to your VPN account or create a new one if you don't already have one. Follow the on-screen instructions to sign in.